Hello, Standard 6. Your Arun sir going to teach a new chapter in science, chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Work and Energy. It is part of physics. Okay. The last chapter which we discussed, classification, that was part of biology. Now, one part of physics, let me start. And the name of the chapter is Work and Energy. So we are going to discuss in detail about the work and energy. Now, let me try to push this wall. I am able to push this wall? No. In science, if I have applied force and the object is not moving, then I haven't done any work. Understood or not? If you are trying to lift a heavy load and you are unable to lift, it means you haven't done work. When we apply a force, object set in motion. If we are applying a force and the object is coming in motion, then only we have done the work. Means what is work? Work is the product of force and distance. Okay. What is work? Work is the product of force and distance. Product means what? Multiplication. When force is multiplied to the distance, then only you can say that work is done. Otherwise, you haven't done the work. Now, different types of work are there. Like physical work, mental work. I am teaching or you are solving a math. That is your mental work. I am lifting a load. That is physical work. And if machine is used to do a work, that work is the mechanical work. Very clear or not? So mental work, physical work, mechanical work we have understood. Now work depends on force. Okay. And that force, the body moves in the direction of the force. Suppose you are applying, this is a body and you are applying a force here. And the body from here moved till here. It means you have done the work. The body moves in the direction of the force. Once more. So what is force we have understood? What is work we have understood? Product of force and direction. Or a force and distance. So work is equal to force into distance moved in, force into distance moved in direction of force. That part is very important. Moved in direction of force. Once more try to understand. What is force? Force is the product of, what is work? Work is the force of distance. Work is the product of force and distance moved in direction of force. It means, in short, we can write, take work as W, force as F, and distance as S. So, work is equal to, W is equal to F into S. What is S? S is the magnitude of displacement in direction of force. Now, W is work, F is force, and S, try to understand S, magnitude of displacement, magnitude of displacement in direction of force. In direction of force. Dear children, let me make you clear. Magnitude means what? Numerical value, say 2 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter. That is magnitude. Magnitude means numerical value. Numerical value. And displacement, new word came, displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance moved by a body in certain interval of time. Suppose this is a body and it moves 5 meter this way and 7 meter this way. What distance covered? Distance covered by the body will be 5 plus 7 means 12 meter. But the shortest distance, this is the shortest distance. This shortest distance is called what? Displacement. Very clear or not? Displacement is the shortest distance moved by a body in certain interval of time. So once more let me make you understand what is work. Work is equal to force into displacement, magnitude of displacement of a body in direction of force, or simply you can say that distance. Very clear? So W is equal to Fs. Now, unit of force. How will you measure force? In which unit? Kilogram. How will you measure work? Unit of force is Newton and distance is meter, Newton meter. Or simply say unit, SI unit of work, SI unit of work, and it is equal to joule. In short, it is written as capital J. Very clear? And 1 joule is equal to, that you are knowing, 1000, 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. This part is clear. So SI unit of work is joule. Now, one very, very important question is asked. Very important question. That define 1 joule. Define 1 joule. What is 1 joule? Let me discuss. When we apply a force of 1 Newton, force is 1 Newton and the body moves a distance of 1 meter, then we will say that 1 joule work is done. Once more try to understand that if you are asked to define 1 joule is the work done if 1 Newton of force is applied to move a body through 1 meter in direction of force. Once more let me make you understand. If you are asked to define 1 joule, how will you define? Work done if 1 Newton of force, work done if 1 Newton of force, unit of force is Newton, 1 Newton of force is applied to move a body If 1 Newton of force is applied to move a body through 1 meter, in the direction of force, in the direction of force, then it is called 1 joule. So dear children, you may be asked to define 1 joule. 1 joule means work done if 1 Newton of force is applied to move a body through 1 meter in the direction of the force. If you are applying 1 Newton of force and the body is moving 1 meter in the direction of the force, then you will say that the work done is 1 joule. Very clear or not? So 1 joule we have understood. So work part is clear. Now about energy. Work we have understood that it is the product of force and distance. Work is the product of force and distance. Now energy. What is energy? Capacity to do work. Capacity to do work is called as energy, and we will discuss different type of energy like mechanical energy, chemical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy in the next video. Today what we have discussed, what is work. Only work part is clear, that work is equal to force into distance moved by a body in direction of force. Means work is equal to force into distance. We have also heard about the displacement and SI unit of force, and to define 1 joule, what is 1 joule and what is energy. In the next video we will discuss about the different types of energy. Thank you very much.